Ukuvalwa kwenkampani ekhiqiza amathai iGoodyear eKariega kuthinta amakhulu emindeni ebithembele kuyo nasebesebenze kule nkampani iminyaka engaphezulu kwama-30.
When this news came, we were all shocked. At some point, some I don't think will recover from this. I can say it's a massacre in terms of the relationship that we had with some colleagues here at Goodyear.
I'm also 35 years here, and I've got this luxury. Me and my ekhiqiza started here, still coming from school very young age. And I don't know how to express, because as a shop steward myself, try to heal other workers here. It's even harder myself.
Umkhandlu wamabhizinisi eNelson Mandela Bay uthi ukuvalwa kwale mboni kuletha ukukhathazeka ngesimo somnotho wendawo.
We remain deeply concerned about the potential deindustrialization of our local economy and resultant job losses which may occur. It is vital and urgent that all the stakeholders play their part in making the environment conducive for the retention and attraction of investment and jobs.
Inyunyana Izisebenzi Ezizolahlekelwa nomsa ithi le nkampani ibingahlengeka, kepha-ke isamukele isivumelwano mayelana nemihlomulo engcono ezotholwa izisebenzi ezizothinteka. Ithi izoxoxisana nohulumeni nezinkampani zangaphandle ngezindlela zokuhlenga le nkampani.